Gratuitous is an adjective that describes something as unnecessary, uncalled for, or given freely without reason or justification. Origins: the word comes from the Latin gratuitous, meaning free or given without charge. It entered English in the 17th century, evolving to describe things that are either freely given or excessive and unwarranted. Explanation and usage: gratuitous is often used to criticize something that is excessive, irrelevant, or done without necessity, particularly in the context of actions, remarks, or content. Example sentences: the movie contained gratuitous violence. That added nothing to the story. He offered gratuitous help, expecting nothing in return. Quasi-cultural significance: the term is frequently used in discussions about media, entertainment, and behavior, particularly when referring to unnecessary elements like excessive violence, offensive jokes, or over-the-top gestures. Synonyms: unwarranted, lacking justification or necessity; superfluous, more than what is needed; excessive, going beyond reasonable limits. Antonyms: justified, having a valid reason or purpose; necessary, essential or required; relevant, directly related to the subject or situation. Key takeaway: gratuitous describes something unnecessary, excessive, or unjustified, whether it's an action, comment, or element in media. It can also refer to something given freely, without expectation,